In order to bypass the forgotten screen lock password on Samsung Galaxy A57, then we can go to the recovery mode and perform factory reset of our phone. Of course, as a result, you will lose everything that you have on your phone, and unless you have a backup, of course, but this seems to be the only way to actually recover the access to the phone. Now, here is a little problem. In order to go to the recovery mode, we need to turn off our phone. And if we try to do so without the screen lock password, or if we don't remember the screen lock password, then we will not be able to shut down the phone because the password is required in order to shut down the phone. So what we can do? We need to perform a forced restart of the phone, which can be done by using the power button and volume down button. We will need to press and hold both of these buttons until the screen shuts down. Once the screen shuts down, you will need to use a USB cable and you need to connect your phone to a computer or a laptop. And then once you connect the cable right after the screen shuts down, you need to press and hold power and volume up and hold these two buttons until you open the recovery mode. So let me try to demonstrate. First, I'm gonna press and hold power and volume down. In the meantime, I'm keeping my cable closed because we'll need to connect immediately. There we go, we plug it in and then press and hold power and volume up. And just keep holding until you see the recovery mode. There we go. I'm gonna actually unplug the cable now. It is not really needed. There we go. And in here, we should be able to navigate by using volume button. So use volume up or down in order to choose a different option. And we are looking for wipe data / factory reset. Over here, you want to confirm by pressing the power button. Then in here, go to factory data reset, and then confirm once again with the power button. And in case you go back to this main menu of Android recovery, you will need to reboot your system in order to go back into the normal mode. So choose reboot system now and press power button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.